Hey Great Danes, it's Wellness Wednesday with your campus dietitian Donna Duffy, and today we're going to make homemade hummus. Hummus is an excellent food to have in your diet plan as it provides both protein and fiber. Protein is important for healing and recovery. It's necessary for building and repairing tissues such as your bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and your blood. Fiber is important to have in your diet as it helps us keep fuller longer. It helps our digestive system work regularly, and it also cleans up some of the fat in our bloodstream. So for today's recipe, we're going to use a half cup of tahini, a quarter cup extra virgin olive oil, plus a little more for garnishing later, 2 cloves of garlic mashed and roughly chopped, 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas or garbanzo beans that have been drained, a quarter cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, a half cup water, a half teaspoon of salt. When it's all done, you can garnish it with a parsley, a little bit of paprika. Homemade hummus, folks. Totally simple to do. Hope to see you next Wednesday. Take care.